Looking for a quick and effortless way to achieve that perfectly sculpted look? Contour sticks are your ultimate makeup companion. Compact, creamy, and easy to blend, they offer precision and versatility for all skin types and tones. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best contour sticks that bring out your best features. Whether you're a beginner or a makeup pro, this list will help you find the perfect product to suit your needs. Stick around to discover your next must-have. Kicking off our list at number 1, Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation is more than just a foundation, it doubles as an excellent contouring tool. Its creamy and buildable formula makes it ideal for creating natural shadows and enhancing your features with ease. Key features: this stick foundation comes in a range of shades, catering to all skin tones. The lightweight, matte formula provides full coverage without feeling heavy. Its compact design makes it convenient for precise application and touch-ups. Benefits and usage: use this product to define your cheekbones, jawline, and nose. Its blendable texture allows for a seamless finish, while the matte formula ensures it stays put throughout the day. Glide it onto the desired areas and blend with a brush or sponge for a flawless look. Usability: designed for versatility, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation works well for both beginners and experts. Its user-friendly design and creamy texture make it easy to apply and blend, even on the go. Durability: known for its long-lasting formula, this contour stick stays in place for hours without smudging or fading. Its sturdy packaging ensures it remains intact in your makeup bag, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. In the second spot, we have Milk Makeup Matte Contour Stick. The Milk Makeup Matte Contour Stick is a favorite among beauty enthusiasts for its smooth, blendable formula and clean ingredients. This contour stick is perfect for creating a sculpted, natural look with minimal effort. Key features: made with nourishing ingredients like mango butter and avocado oil, this contour stick is gentle on the skin. Its matte finish ensures a professional look, while its twist-up design allows for precise application. The stick is also vegan and cruelty-free. Benefits and usage: this product glides on effortlessly and blends seamlessly into the skin. Its creamy formula makes it easy to contour cheekbones, nose, and jawline for a defined appearance. Apply directly to the skin and blend with your fingers or a brush for a soft, natural finish. Usability: the Milk Makeup Matte Contour Stick is ideal for all skin types, including sensitive skin, thanks to its clean, hydrating formula. Its travel-friendly design makes it convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. Durability: the long-wearing formula ensures your contour stays fresh and flawless all day. The sturdy packaging keeps the product safe from damage, making it a dependable addition to your makeup routine. Coming in at number 3 is the NYX Wonder Stick. The NYX Wonder Stick is a dual-ended product that combines contour and highlight in one convenient stick. It's a budget-friendly option for those who want versatility and ease in their makeup routine. Key features: this stick features a contour shade on one end and a complementary highlight shade on the other. Its creamy, blendable formula ensures a smooth application. Available in multiple shade combinations, it caters to a wide range of skin tones. Benefits and usage: use the contour side to define your cheekbones, jawline, and nose, and the highlight side to accentuate your features. Its dual functionality makes it a time-saving tool for a complete sculpted look. Simply swipe and blend for a natural finish. Usability: the NYX Wonder Stick is beginner-friendly and ideal for quick touch-ups. Its compact size makes it travel-friendly, allowing you to achieve a flawless look anywhere. Durability: while affordable, this product doesn't compromise on quality. Its formula is long-lasting and stays in place throughout the day, making it a great choice for busy schedules. Taking our 4th spot is Smashbox Contour Stick. The Smashbox Contour Stick is a professional-grade product designed for precise sculpting. Its ultra-blendable formula and rich pigment make it a top choice for makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts alike. Key features: this contour stick boasts a creamy, high-pigment formula that delivers intense color payoff. Its slim design allows for precise application, while its buildable coverage ensures versatility. It's also available in multiple shades for different skin tones. Benefits and usage: use this stick to create sharp, defined contours or blend it out for a softer look. Its creamy texture glides effortlessly over the skin, making it easy to sculpt and shape. Apply directly to the skin and blend with a brush or sponge for a professional finish. Usability: the Smashbox contour stick is suitable for all skill levels, offering easy application and blendability. Its sleek design fits perfectly in your makeup kit, making it convenient for everyday use or special occasions. Durability: this contour stick is known for its long-lasting formula, staying put even in humid conditions. Its sturdy packaging ensures the product remains intact, making it a reliable choice for daily wear. And finally, at number 5, we have Huda Beauty Tantour Contour Stick. The Huda Beauty Tantour Contour Stick combines the precision of a stick with the blendability of a cream, offering a luxurious contouring experience. It's designed to provide a natural-looking contour with a touch of radiance. Key features: this contour stick features a creamy, lightweight formula that blends seamlessly into the skin. Its rich pigment provides buildable coverage, allowing you to customize your look. The product is available in several shades, catering to a variety of skin tones. Benefits and usage: the Huda Beauty Tantour Stick enhances your features while adding a subtle glow. Its creamy texture ensures a smooth application, and its buildable formula lets you create anything from soft contours to dramatic definition. Simply swipe onto desired areas and blend for a flawless finish. Usability: this contour stick is perfect for all skin types and is easy to use, even for beginners. Its compact design makes it travel-friendly, ensuring you can achieve a sculpted look anytime, anywhere. Durability: the Tantour stick's long-wearing formula ensures your contour stays in place throughout the day. Its luxurious packaging adds a touch of elegance, making it a standout addition to your makeup collection. There you have it, the top 5 best contour sticks to elevate your makeup game. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a professional-grade tool, these products have you covered. Each one offers unique features and benefits, ensuring there's a perfect match for every makeup enthusiast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth beauty reviews. Let us know in the comments which contour stick you're excited to try. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep sculpting.